Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you a unique AI template which will be very helpful for researchers. So whenever you are making research, the important thing in making a research paper or analyzing a research paper is that analyzing the data. That data must be stored in Excel sheet. So if you having large amount of data, you cannot able to analyze it easily. For that, we have developed a AI template called Chat with Excel. This AI template will be very helpful for you to analyze the data present in Excel sheet, and it will provide a perfect response for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI template for your data analysis in your research work. So for that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Chat with Excel. You can just click on the option called Chat with Excel. It leads to a dashboard of Chat with Excel where you can find this. You choose file and you can upload your file. So in order to do, I am going to upload a file here. So I am going to desktop, having a file name called power. So just click on open. So before that, I will show you so what is present in that respective power. So it comprises of data related with irradiation, power, theoretical efficiency, and then different kinds of methods. For different methods, it is having for different time periods. For that, I am going to give an option called upload. That paper will be uploaded. After uploaded, you will be having a tab called questions. So in this question, you can ask what are the doubts you have in that respective Excel sheet. So main findings of the paper, summarize the paper, explain the results. So I am going to give explain the results of the paper or data, whatever you want you can give, or else if you want to ask your own questions also, no issues. So you can ask your own questions in this tab itself. AI will analyze that respective Excel sheet and it will provide perfect answer for you. This is a unique template designed to analyze your data. So whenever you are having a Excel sheet, that is the results you are having, this will be very helpful for you. So here comes the content. It is about overview of results. So it consists of what it will be consist of: irradiation, theoretical power, and efficiency. So here you can see that this is efficiency analysis, which method shows higher efficiency. What is the range of efficiency will be, like that it will analyze and tell. And then what is the power output, how the power output will be vary, like that it will analyze and tell. Which one recorded highest power output, that also will be presented. So next, theoretical power consumption, power output, how the power output will be in watts, how it will be given. Next, statistical insights. So here the data sets provides each parameter include what are the values, maximum and minimum values will be presented here, that also will be given. So after that, it will give you a conclusion like this. So it will conclude what is present in them and what it will try to analyze, what it will highlight, like that it will provide the detailed conclusion also. And the important thing is that if you want to add upon some research question in the same Excel sheet itself, so it will provide some possible research question. So here you can see you can ask even more questions. So what additional parameters included in the future studies to provide more comprehensive analysis of the system performance. So if you are having results in the Excel sheet, if you want to add another more parameters, if you are struggling to get an idea, so you can use this kind of possible research question and then just click on the option called send. Again, it will analyze that Excel sheet and it will provide a valid and a perfect answer for you. This will help you to proceed your research paper writing further, and also you can make even better results analysis using this respective AI template. So this is the important specialty of AI template. So here comes the what are the other parameters you can use: temperature effects, load variability, and also material properties, system configuration, design parameters, environmental factors, long-term performance metrics. Like that, these are the possible things you can add upon with that Excel sheet analysis. Thereby, you can even improve more about that respective result analysis also. So like that also you can use this AI template. Rather than analyzing and getting an output from this respective AI template, you can even proceed or ask question in the same Excel sheet itself to proceed your research further, and you can enhance your research using this AI template. Go on and use this chat with Excel, so you can get a better idea and you can get a better explanation about the data. So just upload your Excel sheet and get your data analyzed using this respective Excel sheet. Hope as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you can just click on plans and pricing option. At just 199 you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. Important thing is that you can have unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 month. The next one is that best value 999. So you can access our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan. Important thing is that you can access course on demand videos at 999, and then you can have unlimited access for 1 year. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.